Hello and welcome to our video on cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. In recent years, cryptocurrency has become a hot topic, with many people investing in digital currencies like Bitcoin. However, despite its popularity, there are still many misconceptions about what cryptocurrency is and how it works. In this video, we'll explain the basics of cryptocurrency, explore how it works, and take a closer look at the most popular digital currency, Bitcoin. We'll also discuss the benefits and risks of investing in cryptocurrency and provide some tips for those who are new to the world of digital currencies. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious about this new technology, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of what cryptocurrency is, how it works, and whether or not it's a good investment for you. So without further ado, let's get started. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography to secure and verify transactions and to control the creation of new units. Unlike traditional currencies, which are issued by governments or financial institutions, cryptocurrency is decentralized and operates on a peer-to-peer network. This means that there is no central authority or middleman controlling the flow of currency, making it more secure and transparent. Cryptocurrencies are created through a process called mining, where powerful computers solve complex mathematical equations to verify and process transactions on the network. Once a transaction is verified, it is added to a public ledger called the blockchain, which is a decentralized database that records all transactions on the network. Some of the most popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique features and uses, but they all operate on the same basic principles of decentralization and security. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the most well-known and widely used cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization of over $1 trillion. Created in 2009, by an anonymous person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin was designed to be a decentralized alternative to traditional currencies and payment systems. Like other cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin operates on a peer-to-peer network and uses cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Bitcoin transactions are verified by miners who receive new Bitcoins as a reward for their efforts. One of the unique features of Bitcoin is that there is a finite supply of 21 million Bitcoins, which prevents inflation and ensures that the value of Bitcoin remains stable. This limited supply also makes Bitcoin a potentially valuable asset, with many investors buying and holding Bitcoin as a long-term investment. Despite its popularity, Bitcoin has faced criticism for its association with illegal activities and its potential for use in money laundering and other illegal transactions. However, proponents of Bitcoin argue that it is a more secure and transparent alternative to traditional payment systems, and that the benefits of decentralization outweigh the risks. How does Bitcoin work? Bitcoin works by using a decentralized network to verify and process transactions. When someone sends Bitcoins to another person, the transaction is broadcast to the network, where it is verified by a network of miners. Once the transaction is verified, it is added to the blockchain, which is a public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. Miners are incentivized to verify transactions by earning new Bitcoins as a reward. As more people mine Bitcoin, the difficulty of mining increases, which ensures that new Bitcoins are created at a steady pace. One of the benefits of Bitcoin is that it is more secure than traditional payment systems. Because the blockchain is decentralized and transparent, it is virtually impossible to counterfeit or manipulate transactions. This makes Bitcoin a popular choice for people who want to transfer money across borders or make payments without the need for a middleman. However, Bitcoin is not without its risks. Because it is a relatively new and unregulated currency, its value is highly volatile and can fluctuate rapidly. This makes it a risky investment for some people, and caution should be exercised when investing in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. Advantages and disadvantages of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has several advantages over traditional payment systems, including its decentralization, security, and transparency. Because it operates on a peer-to-peer network, there is no need for a middleman to process transactions, making it faster and more efficient than traditional payment systems. Bitcoin is also more secure than traditional payment systems, as the blockchain is virtually impossible to counterfeit or manipulate. This makes it a popular choice for people who want to transfer money across borders or make payments without the need for a middleman. However, Bitcoin is not without its risks. Because it is a relatively new and unregulated currency, its value is highly volatile and can fluctuate rapidly. This makes it a risky investment for some people, and caution should be exercised when investing in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. In addition, Bitcoin has faced criticism for its association with illegal activities and its potential for use in money laundering and other illegal transactions. While proponents of Bitcoin argue that it is a more secure and transparent alternative to traditional payment systems, its risks and limitations should be carefully considered before investing. It's important to remember that while cryptocurrency and Bitcoin offer many benefits, they are still a relatively new and evolving technology. It's crucial to do your own research and understand the risks before investing in any cryptocurrency. However, with the potential for decentralization, security, and transparency, it's clear that cryptocurrency is here to stay and will continue to shape the future of finance. We hope this video has provided you with a solid foundation of knowledge and inspired you to learn more about this exciting field. Remember, always stay informed and keep up with the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency. By staying informed, you can make informed decisions and take advantage of the opportunities that cryptocurrency presents. Thank you for watching and stay curious. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on the latest trends and developments in the world of finance and technology. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers and are always happy to engage in discussions about the topics we cover.